ตาคาวง Just now I will cooking กุ้งทอดราดซอสส้ม Ingredient 1 Medium size corn 500 gram ส้มเช้ง on orange 1 cup Wheat flour half tablespoon Sugar half cup Salt half teaspoon Vegetable oil 1 cup Wash shell and rest the corn. Pour the oil into a wok over medium heat. Fry the corn and when done. Arrange on a plate. Mix in a saucepan the orange juice, sugar, and salt. Heat stir until the sugar dissolves.
คือว่าใส่น้ำมัน
Mix the flour with the liquor. Water and add to the pot. Continue stirring the sauce. Add chicken and then beef. Out over the fried corn. Now I am finished on ready goodbye. Bye bye.